Welcome everybody, Trading Jesus, always here to update you about the prices. And Castor Maritime has fallen until the 34, even lower from the lower price that we did in the last week before we saw the jump to 47. So now we're gonna discuss the price for Monday and what's this move actually happened, why it happens, and what's the insider gonna do next, because this is just a test, guys. When we go below our support level around the 35, as we predicted in the last video before, we went below in pre-market because this is a test for the market below our support, and any test below our support, this is an incentive for the price will go even lower if we go back again. So we're gonna go and see the prices for Monday. Without further ado, bless the like button, check the Patreon link in the comment section below if you want caution one, and this Discord channel where we're gonna talk about pre-market and aftermarket and during market about the prices, update daily for you guys, and at the same time a big tribe for hunters. Until now we have 9 hunters, so join and be the 10 and before we're gonna see the 100 hunter for this year. So don't miss this opportunity to change your investment career. Without further ado, let's get right to the video. And as we can see, guys, here in the pre-market we can see the price went even to 34, and this is crazy because at the Friday we closed around the 42, and we can see here the price been consolidating around the 42, 41 after this gap that we did at the 18th of May, and the 20th of May and 19th of May we've been consolidating about this level. Before we went all-time low around the 35, guys, before we saw the big jump. As I predicted before, I told you guys, if we go to 34 we're gonna see a big massive jump up, and we hit the resistance around the 46 here. So this is really important level to watch out for, because last time that when we talk we have this technical level and we broke from it after we have this move, and I told you guys if we broke from this ascending line and we have the closing candle below and we have the test and we never go over it, we're gonna go lower. Hopefully you saw the video, so you capitalize on this move, so you sold here, so you bought at a really nice price level around the 35 as we predicted exactly, guys. And now we tested pre-market, as you can see here. The pre-market went to 34 just in one like in just few minutes before the price go to 36. So by Monday, guys, this is important level because we test now, we did the double bottom and the price went pre-market at this level. So by Monday there's might the price go again to open up around the 42, because the pre-market always volatile, guys. We can't have the price as aftermarket because there's a lot of slippage and the price move really fast and gapped a lot. So that's why we don't take the price for CTRM as the pre-market or aftermarket, as happened for AMC. If you notice last week it jumped after the resistance level to $14 and went even for $15, almost $16. Then after the market opened it went down below the resistance level around the $14 and cent, and now it crashed again around the $12.50 or 60 cents. So never rely on the aftermarket or pre-market, because after the market open the price might go down or go up. So now this is just a test, guys, because if we open the Monday and the price is still hovering around the 36 and 35, and this will be really bad, because this time the resistance level will lowered and will be around the 40, and this is we're gonna see a test by next week for trying to go higher for for Castor Maritime, because as we can see, we did the highest in the last month around this level, around the 58 and 49, and now the highest 47. You see now the trend. What happening, guys, is being this shape, it doesn't finish as we predict in the last video. The W shape is not finished, and we got a rejection around our exponential average here, and that's why we never even test this around the 50 or 48, and this why we have this big massive gap down. So by Monday, guys, there's this level we have to watch out for. Be careful, because now we test this level. There is the big chance if we open at Monday and we still hovering around the 35 and 36, if we just go again 34, we might see the price dip again, this time to 30 exactly, guys. And any price go below this will be a big sell-off happen again here. Here we should see a big buying pressure to take us again at least to the $40, and we hit resistance, and we try to go over our exponential average just this time. But as I said, this is really important, because if we just go to 34, there's a might chance we go to 30, and 30 we're gonna see a buying pressure, big buying pressure. Not even 29, we don't want to see the 29, we're gonna see the 30, and in the 30 we're gonna see a big buying pressure, because here we're gonna see opportunity to go up again. And as we can see again, for the volume, before the market, after the market close, is still above the zero, but the aftermarket, the price went to 35, so the momentum will update this chart and will be below the zero, and this is a change in momentum. Even the momentum level getting down on us, so we're gonna see a bit of big picture to see more. In the big picture is almost we have a change in the trend, guys, but after market we have the massive rejection. When at the 18th of May it was the turning point. If we just went to $50 again, will be the big move, and to take us above our exponential average around the 57 or 58 here the test. And as I told you guys, the price, if it went again to 57 this time around this level above the exponential average, this time we're gonna see the explosion for our CTRM. Other than that, we're gonna see still the price going even lower. So as I told you, we get unfortunately we got rejected even below testing this level around the 55. But this is what happened in the market. You can't control the market. The market actually control the prices. If the price test and get rejected, never be angry at the market, but you should expect the worst, and you have your strategy written down always here, so you always execute. Never be panicking and say what's happened and why I'm unlucky. So never dwell on your problem or the things that went wrong, but take this opportunity to grow, and take the mistake that you did, write it down, why you did it, and why you actually angry at this trade, and why you take it in the first place. Then you could actually grow and learn that why you took this trade, and you prevent from this from happening in the future. That's why we doing here, guys. We can't be 100% right. We only have the probability of something happening, right or wrong. This is it. Tell me your probability of winning and losing, and I'll tell you if you're gonna be winning at all or not. If you don't have a strategy that tell you you're gonna lose X of money, or you're gonna win X of money, and you just want to have a mark of okay, I will hit 100,000 and I will stop. I'll take my profit. No, the market doesn't care about you hitting the 100. Just put this in your mind. You have to have percentage. Like For today, if you swing trade, what's your percentage of gain? 10%, 20%. But what you willing to lose? It's not just winning. A lot of people just get in the market and dreaming about making like 100%. But when I tell them how many you gonna lose, I don't know. They never actually expect this question. So yourself, when you get in a trade, swing, always ask yourself if you never actually check, you know, buy and in the beginning trade, do want to the need that